Are you wondering how to generate traffic for affiliate marketing? Well, in this video, I share my 5 best traffic generating strategies for any affiliate offer. These strategies are super simple, even for beginners, and can work for any affiliate offer, even high-ticket ones. Whether you are just getting going in affiliate marketing, or if you are an experienced marketer who's looking for more high-quality, high-converting traffic, this video is for you, so stick with me. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been a full-time affiliate marketer for years. Affiliate marketing is my favorite business model. And before we get going, can I ask you to help me out? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now, and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week, and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And then one last favor, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. So there are all kinds of ways to get traffic to your affiliate marketing offer. And I hope before you start generating traffic that you have set up a good sales funnel. The traffic you do get will lead to far better results than if you try to sell directly from your sales page. I always recommend running prospects through a funnel and adding them to your email list for automated follow-ups. See, the old rule is still true. It takes on average 7 contacts to make a sale. The funnel solves this challenge. So let's talk about my 5 best strategies for generating traffic for your affiliate offer. And you will find that I mostly use free traffic methods rather than paid. Let's start with the one paid method I use to generate traffic for my affiliate marketing business, and that is solo ads. Solo ads are where you pay someone to mail your offer to their list. Typically, you pay for a certain number of clicks to your website. And I know solo ads in general have gotten a bad reputation, and for good cause. All too often, the results have been disappointing. Sometimes the results are so bad that you wonder if the opt-ins that you do get are even real. If you are starting out and want to get a lot of good traffic fast, or maybe if you're introducing something new, good solo ads can be a solution. There is only one solo ad source that I use and recommend. It's where I've had the best success getting conversions, not just clicks. To learn more about these high-quality solo ads and pick up a discount coupon, see the resources page on my blog at joebarclay.com. You can find a link in the description. Next on my list is Facebook groups. You can create your own group or join one. If you have your own Facebook group, when people ask a question, you can share a link. It's so easy and only takes seconds. And this traffic can be very high converting as you have established a relationship with the people. Now, there are a ton of other people's Facebook groups you can join too. They are free to join, but make sure you only join groups related to your industry. Once in the group, focus on helping people out. When they have questions, offer solutions, but do not make the mistake of just trying to post links. Plan on posting consistently in the group, again, with a focus on helping people out. Try to write posts to build curiosity. Encourage people to comment. When they do, send them a private message. The next way to generate traffic for affiliate marketing is by using traffic exchanges. It's kind of like visiting other people's websites, and in return, they visit yours. The big downside to traffic exchanges is the lack of engagement. See, usually all marketers are doing is clicking on sites to get more clicks on their site. I've found most of them to be a complete waste of time. And the occasional new team member who joins your affiliate marketing opportunity from a traffic exchange is likely to rely on traffic exchanges as their primary traffic generating strategy. Over the years, I've only found one traffic exchange I can depend on for quality traffic that really converts. They have a unique tracking system that ensures you get real traffic from real viewers. Here too, to learn more about this traffic exchange source, see the resources page on my blog at joebarclay.com. And again, you can find a link in the description. Next on my list for generating traffic for affiliate marketing is blogging. I've had my blog, joebarclay.com, almost since the start of the internet, It delivers quality leads every day. But starting a blog is not something I recommend to most marketers. If you were to start a blog today, even if you did a great job, it would be a long time before you generated traffic for your affiliate marketing business on a daily basis. A long time, like months. So you would need to have another traffic strategy in place in the meantime. And that brings me to the final strategy on the list, but it's my favorite and most productive way to generate traffic for affiliate marketing, and that is YouTube. YouTube is simple to learn, takes a small amount of time, and can get terrific results. And oh yeah, YouTube is free. I've found it to be a great way to build relationships with people, to get them to know you, like you, and to trust you. And I think that is the big reason that it does not take a lot of YouTube views to get high quality traffic to my affiliate marketing landing page. YouTube is the first traffic strategy I recommend to almost every new team member. And my business has the very best YouTube training available. For just YouTube marketing alone, we have over 20 training videos. I hope this helps you generate more traffic for your affiliate marketing offer. Please feel free to reach out to me with questions at any time. I always enjoy sharing ideas with other marketers. And I invite you to learn more about my #1 recommended income stream. I'll show you how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day. To learn more, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.